Hey guys, thanks for joining. Just want to do a quick video on DTF maintenance for startup and when you're shutting it down. Keep you going for a long time without clogging. So before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe. That really helps. To get started, I'm going to open the cover for you so you can see what's under here. Then we're going to turn it on. And get my fingers out of the way. I'm going to power it on. And once that head goes over to the left here, we're going to shut it down. And you leave that just where it's at. So there, if you can see in there very good, I'm not sure. I already cleaned mine. I've already put with this syringe. And if you're not using it for a little while, for a couple of days, a week, definitely use the moisturizing lotion. Take a couple drops, put it in your syringe, and get this wet till you see it comes up to the top. And then just take your head and move it over. Turn it back on. Let that pad seal up against the... Oops, turn my power on. Let that pad seal up against the print head. It'll go to the left and it'll come all the way back. But this works great, this method. I've been doing it for 2-3 years and had no problems, no clogging. But it's got to be done every day. Either print something, even one. It's worth the waste of paper just to run it once. And now that it's settled, it's ready to be turned off. Oh, no. There it goes. Now it'll be settled. Sorry. Alright, now it's ready to be turned off. And there you go. Now that moisturizing liquid, it'll be sealed up against the bottom of the head, print head. So it will keep it moisturized. It'll keep ink from drying inside there because they're very micro dot jets. And yeah, like if you need to be gone a couple of days or so, you better do that, because once it gets clogged up, the head, these will get clogged up too. There's no doubt, because it's not moving and this stuff dries fast. And once like if your head's dry, that's dry, these are going to be something that's dry in there. You're going to have to clean everything out. So yeah, that's how, start to finish. As long as you can keep this, if you don't want to get the head dry, if you're gone for a week or two and something dries out in here, at least you could take it off from here to there. It's a lot easier, a lot less expensive. But if you can print every day just one of something, or just moisturize the head, you'll be good to go for years. That's all you got to do. Thank you for watching the video, and like and subscribe so I could do more. It don't cost nothing, it's free. I'm doing this for nothing, it's not a big deal. Hope you liked the video. Bye.